I was lucky. I have done this cable car yesterday. Yesterday it was Friday, so today is Saturday. See the rush, see the queue for cable car. So it will take at least 1 hour, more than an hour to get into cable car. So it's a big queue. So today is a Saturday, so always we have to avoid weekends. All these important places are in cable cars like this. I'm going to Burger King to have my breakfast. It is 11:30. Till now I didn't have anything except tea, coffee. Free tea coffee available in Hostel Burger King. Very big. One of the biggest Burger King outlet I have ever seen in my life. You can see. Very big. So I'm going to have my favorite onion. I'm having onion rings for breakfast with a cable car view just beside Powell Street. So that is Powell Street. So just I have had breakfast in Burger King. So I have time till 1 o'clock because 2 o'clock I have to meet my friends like college mate juniors from my agriculture college. So they are 3 years juniors to me. So we are planning to meet during the lunch in Dublin area. So 2 p.m. So I have time. So that is the reason I am going to Union Square to spend some time the Union Square, and then I will come back and take a boat around 12:45 1, and then I can reach Dublin by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So I can spend some time with my college mates. I didn't meet them from like 1995. So it is almost like 30 years. So I'm meeting them. I am very much looking forward. So I used to say hi, hello every day in the college. But after 95, we never. I am standing at Union Square. So on Monday I will come here and take these big buses. So sightseeing San Francisco up on up off for 2 days, or at least 1 day. Then I go to Golden Gate Bridge, Golden Gate Park. So all important stay like Pier 39. All important places in San Francisco. So in 2021 I took it, but I took it only for 1 day, only one trip. So I didn't have time. So this time I want to explore more. Like I will take for 2 days, like 48 hours. So 1 day ticket and 2 day tickets, there won't be much difference. So I will ask now the difference, and I will book it for Monday and Tuesday. So I got a good deal. So it is 48 hours, 2 days ticket I have bought from Carlos, Mexican guy. So based out of US. So it is like $90 actually for 2 days, 48 hours, including night trip. So on Golden Gate Bridge. But he has given me for $76. I am booking in advance. So I got a very good discount, like $14. So this is Union Square. So bus will start from here around 10:15 in the morning. So the stop number 1 is Pier 39. But I can take the bus from here because my hotel is very close to this place. It's like 1 kilometer, so I can walk. No, I can. On Monday, I'm coming, from from River Island, Dublin. So I get down at Powell Street BART station. So I come here and I take this up on up off and enjoy for 2 continuous days. So this is my plan. So excellent, discount deal given by Carlos, this guy. I'm having a croissant here. It is $4. It is just baked. So this guy warmed it for me. So I am giving all my change, and I want to enjoy croissant, just butter croissant. So this is the coffee area. This is Union Square in San Francisco downtown. So Union Square is main important place here. So there are so many people here, music, dance. The up and up buses start from here. So you can see Macy's, big Macy's. So Cheesecake Factory. I'm just doing 360-degree view of Union Square. So this is a little bakery and a coffee shop. I had a excellent croissant here. So these are the buildings. You can see like cable car, trolley or cable car, whatever we can call. So this is the 360-degree view of Union Square in San Francisco downtown in California state of USA. So this is West Coast, and you can see it is now April 12th, and weather is getting, climate is getting better and better, and it is going towards, now it is spring, so we can see good sunshine. This is Powell Street, so where these cable cars start. All buses come here. So my hotel is close to Powell Street, Amsterdam Hotel. It is actually a hostel, it is a bed sharing bed, but I have upgraded to hotel. I'll take a room. They will give me single room from Monday to Wednesday, Monday night, Tuesday night, and Wednesday night. So Thursday I check out after exploring entire San Francisco, downtown, San Jose, Fremont, and all those areas. So I have upgraded to it because I don't want to face any issue from my co-residents, like co-hostlers. So that's why I have upgraded to a room by paying $160 extra for 3 nights. That is fine after deducting my 3 nights bed fees, hostel fees. So still you can see is a big queue here for cable cars. So at least it will take an hour. So lucky that I have finished yesterday itself. This is Powell Street BART stop, and also stop for Muni and metro trains. So I will explore it on Wednesday whole day, because Monday, Tuesday I have taken pass for up and off of bus. So I have entire Wednesday free, so I can explore Muni and metro. So now I am going to take BART to Dublin to meet my friends after 30 years, meet my juniors, my college mates, Prashant, Hari and Pawan. So I am very much excited and looking forward to meet them. So I am going into the Powell Street BART station. BART is excellent. I like it because it is very fast, very efficient. So it will cover long distance, so within short time. This is Powell Street BART station entrance. I have entered. I have used those gates. I have upgraded my, I have put 20, recharged my BART pass, Clipper card, I meant to say. So now I am going to take BART to go to Dublin and Pleasanton.
The next station is West Oakland.
This is West Oakland. So just after crossing Pacific Ocean.
Now boarding
BART
out.
is to
West
travel for
Oakland.
3-4 minutes
This is a
under the
Green Line
sea,
train to
and this will come to
Berryessa.
West Oakland station. So this train is going to Berryessa, but I have to get down, change the train at either Colosseum or Bayfair, and
The
then take a
doors
train
are
to
closing. Please stand clear of the
Dublin
doors.
Center. This is Fruitvale. So this is not a good part of San Francisco. I could see all rubbish, low income people, small slum in Fruitvale. But I can also see very good houses on the hills, mountains.
Fruitvale.
It is a mixed, but it is very far from here. Those mountain hills, they are very far from this place. So Fruitvale is the place we should avoid in San Francisco because it doesn't look good for eyes.
Coliseum.
I can change here, I can next station, I can change San Leonardo, or I can change at Bayfair. Sorry, I can only change here or at Bayfair. And I have to take a train to Dublin Pleasanton. So better I change in Colosseum. So even for Oakland International Airport, so people have to get down here and they have to take a small train which goes to airport. This is a bus garage. So they have parked all the city buses. She is saying we have to get down here to go to airport. So So this is Colosseum. So I have to take train to Dublin and Pleasanton. So I have to check. So this I have to take train here only on this platform. But I have to see the name board on the train, and based on that I have to take. So to go to Auckland International Airport, you can see you have to take this escalator down, and we have to take a small train which directly takes to airport.